So now it's time to explain the complete process one more time so that you understand what you need to do whenever you want to make a AJAX request. So whenever you want to make a AJAX request, you need to do three things. First, you need to make the request, make the HTTP request, and then that can be done using the function or creating a function for this, a separate function, the make AJAX request function. And then the second step is that you need to get the response, which is basically by the response by using the AJAX response function that we have created throughout this course. And the third step is optional. This step is optional. This step is to display data. You might need to display data, or you might want to do something else. If you want to display data to the user that you got, then you need to use the insert data into HTML. And you have learned how to do that in this course by using the insert data into HTML or insert posts. If you have an array, then you need to loop over the array. If you don't have an array and you are getting only one single thing, one single object, you need to use this form and insert data into HTML. So these are the three steps that you need whenever you want to make AJAX request. You need to make sure that you are following this or these steps. These are the main steps. Steps to make AJAX. And if you follow these three steps, I can guarantee that you are never gonna be confused about AJAX and how to make AJAX requests. And by the way, by following these three steps, you can use AJAX in any project. You can use AJAX in any project. You can use AJAX in any web app project. It doesn't matter what kind of project you have. As long as you follow these three steps, you can use AJAX in any of your projects, and you are going to be able to build advanced applications. Because as I told you, being able to get data from a service, is so important to create advanced applications.